What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to share with you all the simplest way to start your affiliate marketing business, your online journey with your digital products or your affiliate marketing company, how you can do it very easily, and it's all for free. So, like, we don't need no more excuses on why you have not got started yet. So, the first thing you want to do or you want to keep in mind, you have to have. Matter of fact, let's go into what's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just being the middleman, basically, at the end of the day. You don't own nothing. You don't have no really ties to anything. Only thing you have to do is basically offer or promote the product or service that the company has. You can get with a company. They already have everything for you, from the ads, the copyright, prior to the videos and the training. They will give it to you, most likely for free. And the only thing you have to do is just promote their product, and you're just going to get a commission once somebody signs up. So that's basically what like affiliate marketing is. It's just working with a big company, promoting their products and services. Like I said, it's a wide, big range of opportunity out here for anybody looking to start. But like you said, that's the first thing you want to do. You want to go get your product or service. You can get it from anywhere. Like you said, you can start with ClickBank. You can start with selling click funnels or promoting click funnels. Like you said, start your business like that. You can get the Spotify. You can do the Amazon. You can create your own product, create your own digital product. Like that gonna really make you the most commission, creating your own product. Like you said, you can have your own services. Say like you started your own business, you can do the exact same thing. If you don't want to do like affiliate marketing, you want to just promote your own stuff for free, this is the video to watch. So the first thing I want y'all to go do, well, the first thing you want to keep in mind when starting this affiliate marketing business, and after you got your product or service, after you got that, we need to promote, of course, what it is. Now, how we gonna promote it for free? You already know. We're gonna say it again. Social media, people. Social media. That's where everybody is hanging most of the time. Like you said, statistics says that everybody's on their phone for at least 8 hours, 3 to 8 hours a day. Not to say maybe on it, but holding it, but they're in the presence of that phone for a very long time throughout the whole day. Everybody's on social media. So we have to include your social media accounts. Now, the ones that I use, you already know, hundreds of social media accounts, but the ones I use mostly is YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. Those are my 4 social media accounts that I use the most, that I get the most traffic, that I have the most conversions, that I have the most insights, that I have the most following. Those are my platforms that I use personally that helps me build my traffic. For you, it might be Instagram, it might be, TikTok, it might be, LinkedIn, it might be, you know, of course, all type of products, all type of basically social media accounts. And then once you get these social media accounts, y'all, you have to promote. You have to get your information out there. Don't matter how you put it out there, you got to get it out there, from making videos to posts to information flyers to, and of course, blogs too. I do blog as well. I have a blog site. I use blogs as well. It's kind of like not social media, but it is a free source that you can use. I actually pay for mine, but I remember, I actually still to this day, I have blogs that are not, like saying, hosted, say like on Wix.com. I have a blog that's on Wix.com, and it is still ranking on Google. So don't let nobody tell you that your blog, because you don't have a hosting for it, that it can't rank. If it has good information, and always people are staying on that blog post, it works. So always use blogs as well. You have to use at least 3 of these platforms at the bare minimum. Like, if you just want to stay on one platform, you're probably going to be on that platform all day long. And if that's how you want to work, that's cool. But you want to just have varieties, because like you said, we don't own these platforms, and they always can shut your account down. They always can disrupt your business for some odd reason we have no control over. So if that business or if that site goes down or you have an issue with it, you want to be able to, work on the other sites as well while this is getting resolved rather than just having this here and you're looking sad. So you got to keep that in mind. You got to get three. Like I said, my top three are YouTube, Facebook, and blogging. And I use TikTok and all that stuff, but those are like my major things to do. And that's something y'all need to look into. Get you some social media accounts. All right. For the second one, you have to have email marketing. You got to have some type of marketing in place. Is it email marketing or text message marketing? Or now, like I said, you can get an AI bot. You need these tools so you can follow up. You got to follow up with every prospect that hits your website. If you don't have nothing to follow up with these individuals that come to your site, you're losing out on a lot of potential money because you want to capture that lead. You have to capture that lead. It's a must. Like from all your big companies, they caption the lead. If you give me your phone number, your email address. That's what we need to get in contact with you to keep you up to date on the products or service that we have and offer. That is a must. That's the must. If nobody else told you, if you looking at this video and you keep thinking that you don't need an email marketing system or a text message marketing system, you are wrong. You must have it. It's definitely a necessity in your online success. You got to have it. So after that, at the end of the day, it's just being consistent. Just being consistent. Once leads come in, make sure they go into the email or whatever your follow-up system is, and you just have to follow up. Just follow up. That's the whole ordeal. Following up. Matter of fact, if you bad with it, get on the phone with individuals. Like a lot of y'all might not have that type of time. You want to just work 2-3 hours a day and let your system work. That's perfect. But if you have more time, get on the phone, follow up. And once you do that so many times, you actually don't need to worry about the sale. Just focus on the leads coming in because if you have a great product or a service, it's going to convert on itself. Period. I don't care what you're selling. Even if I think it's some bull, but somebody created it and had a vision, that product can be sold. I don't know how much, but it can be sold to some individuals. But I usually just go for something you like, something that's easy, something that you can relate with so you can explain it a lot more. But man, just go for the product that's going to make you more money. And like you said, just follow up with individuals. So, but you might say, okay, we already know all those things. That's cool. Yeah, we do know all those things. But there's some things that are going to really help you out is because like a lot of people are going to be burnt out by just a lot of, I ain't gonna say burnt out. I would say a lot of people just gonna get, especially if you just now starting, you might get a little frustrated because some things it gonna take time. It's gonna take repetition. Gonna take repetition. And tip that can help you out with that is just follow like at least 3 to 4 people that you wanna basically not saying be like, but 3 or 4 people that you admire, 3 or 4 people that you look up to, that you want their type of success. You need to model those individuals. Like I said, do like 3. You might can have, what I'm saying, on your feeds, you might can have everybody successful, but zoom in on them. You could zoom in on one person that's successful. Say he made $3 million last month. You like, oh my God, how you doing this? So you basically, of course, they're going to be on social media. You just watch what they do and almost emulate it, not copy, but just put your own swag on it because at the end of the day, that way everybody else do, from Burger King to rappers to candy to anything you can imagine. They just take what has been proven and just, put their own twists on it, put their own spin on it. So that's what you need to do. Just follow a couple of people and follow what they do. Even if they posting every day, you have to post every day. You have to post every day. Every day. No excuses, even for myself. Got to post every day. You got to show up every day. Because if you don't show up, your competitors are there and they're going to make the sale when you should have been open for business and take your business serious. So you got to post content every day. If you don't know what to post, you can always ask your big brother, ChatGPT. That's your big brother. That's your big daddy. That's your big uncle. That's the big homie. That's going to give you all your information, or at least your ideas to be able to come up with, posts or ideas or whatever. That's going to be your best friend. Use that every day in your business, because I know we just going to get tired and burned out when we can't think right. But when we have somebody in our pocket that can help us broaden our, thinking pattern, or, explain something better to us, that's gonna be the go. And another thing, I got a couple more things for me, y'all. One more thing is what helped me out, or what's helping me out. I put a lot of stuff in schedules. I schedule a lot of stuff. So most of the time when you see my stuff going out, most of the time it's scheduled. Like that. I don't really, because social media is they how you consume, man. You got to get in and out that thing, because you see, oh, you see a funny video, it might just get you there, then you in the wormhole. So I try not to be on social media like that. I always try to, when I go on social media, I always try to respond back to people and ask questions. Basically just following up and replying back to people. So put your stuff in schedules. YouTube, you could schedule posts. Facebook, you could schedule posts. Blogs, you could schedule posts. Email, you could schedule the emails. Pinterest, you could schedule posts. So when I say you could post on all these sites, yeah, you can just schedule the post. What you're supposed to do, you take one day, maybe 4 or 5 days. Oh, not for you take one day, maybe about 4 or 5 hours. Create your weekly plan and start scheduling. So now throughout the week, you ain't got to worry about what to post. Everything's already going out. You just replying back to information, just replying back to people, and the money going to continue to roll in. So that's the another thing, just to be honest, transparent. I do have a VA. I do have a virtual assistant that helps me out. I know it's not for free, but once you get to a certain level, you're gonna definitely have to invest yourself, especially if you want to go bigger. But you can definitely make thousands of dollars with the free methods, even with your email marketing. You don't have to pay for email. A lot of places give you 30-day free trial. Some of them are free. Just you only get a couple subscribers on your email, but all that's good to get started. That's what we want you to do, to go ahead and get started. But I do have a VA that helps me out with a lot of my social media posts, so I'm able to focus on strategizing and how to grow my business and make more money, so I can pay them more money and we could just keep living happily. So at the end of the day, you really don't need no money to start your affiliate marketing business. You just need that product or service. You need some social media's account. You need that email marketing, or text message marketing, some type of marketing to, follow up your individuals. And of course, you're going to need to follow up daily. I recommend following up within 4 hours of the person asking for the information. You could do quicker. That's perfect. If you do later, try not to make it no more than 24 hours. Don't let days go by without replying to these people that ask for information and the individual that has already inquired for the information. You got to keep it going. Keep it going. And that's it. Like I said, no paid ads. You don't have to run ads. If you do run ads, good for you. But this video is just for people that's, don't want to do all that. You want to go the free method. And it definitely works, because I'm a prime example of all the free things you can do and make online and still live good. So, hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.